धंधे में पैसे बना रहे हो कि नहीं? Is it worth, very, hand on your heart, is it advisable for somebody to do this business? Will somebody be able to make money here?
Yes, definitely. That's why we are here, and that's why we are doing business from the past 4 to 5 years. It's bread and butter for us, and for the 108 employees which are there with us. So yes, it is profitable, but every business has some gestation time. It takes time for getting the volumes, right kind of volumes. You won't get, let's say, 100 orders from the day one. It's gonna take some time, and when you and online business and e-commerce, online food e-commerce is all about volumes. If you have good volumes, then and only then you will create value and you'll have good margins.